You join me today in the heart of the popular village of Harbury. Harbury has fantastic amenities including 3 pubs, 2 shops including post office, a primary school, nursery and a real vibrant community. Today I'm going to be showing you round Stone House, a Grade 2 listed detached family home full of character and charm and offering up to 6 bedrooms. Follow me and I'll take you for a tour. You join me at the end of the tour in this fantastic landscape garden. If you would like to be nestled next to Harbury's Windmill, then please get in touch with the details that will follow. Thank you for watching.